Wow, I'm finally at the car dealer store. I might like this one. It has an antenna on the back instead of the front. It doesn't distract you that much. Hey, lady, how much is it?
$1 million.
A million free. Okay. A million Fritos, really? Oh God.
No, $1 million.
How much is that one?
That is free.
Free? I'll take it.
That one is $1.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take the free one. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not free. It's 300 million, 300 million, 2 times, 400 times. So 400 times 300 million.
So you're telling me that I can't get that one?
You can pay for it.
Well, I guess it's the only car I have. Lady, how much is it? Lady? Lady? Lady! Lady, wake up!
Unicorns.
Oh,
Sorry. Oh wait, shoot, I'm not supposed to be on the car. Don't tell my boss.
Well, I won't. Okay. How much is that car right over there?
That car is $1.
$1. That's like awesome. So here's my invisible ink $1. I've been saving it up. Here.
Oh, and here's my invisible ink keys.
All right, thank you. Do I need to sign anything or?
Yes, you need to sign 100 papers.
Nope. All right, let me.
Just kidding, 1 paper.
All right, first I need to go to the store. Then I'll ride this baby